An organization is nothing more than a group of people with capacities, with capabilities, with competences. So the amount of work you can execute as an organization total, it starts with the capacity that you have. And not just the number of people, but also the skill sets, the velocity of your teams. So portfolio management is trying to achieve as much as possible with the current capacity. And it makes sense that you know it. That's why teams measure velocity. And also in your predictions and in your calculations, you take account of that. So that you don't put too much work into your organization. You don't want to get a traffic jam of projects or of initiatives. And that's what we do as a portfolio management. So do just enough preparation to make sure that we get flow into our delivery. But that involves capacity management. It also involves capability and competence management. And that's why I think that improvement of those capacities and those competences is also part of portfolio management itself. Speeding up is something that you find value in your portfolio management. So also the improvement and the increase of the capacity and the capabilities of your organizations is part of Agile portfolio management too. Because if the initiatives in your portfolio help the organization to become faster, you will benefit from that too.